Hello guys, in today's video we'll dive into the fascinating world of bond breaking and bond making reaction using the example of combustion process of ethanol. Let's start by looking at the reactant. Here we have an expanded view of ethanol and oxygen structure on the left side. And first step is breaking these molecules apart into the individual atoms. So, every bond has its own energy associated with it. Here we will show the bond energy for each in the reactant site. This step is essential to understand the energy needed for bond breaking process. Using these bond energies, let's perform some calculations to find out the total energy required to break all the bonds in the reactant site. And you will find 4731 kilojoules per mole. The second step, as the bond break, the atom recombine to form new product. Within the transitional from the separate atom to newly formed molecule on the right side, on the side of the product. This step is crucial in understanding the complete picture of the reaction. So we finish by indicating the energies of the bond for carbon dioxide and water, and now we can do calculation the energy required to form these new bonds. So total 5782 kilojoules per mole. Time to visualize our finding. On the graph, the first peak represents the energy required for bond breaking in the reactant site. Here we observe the consumption of 4731 kilojoules per mole as the bond in the reactants are broken, requiring energy input to overcome this attractive force holding atoms together. And as we move to the second part of the graph, we witness the energy released during the formation of product. The value represents the energy released during the bond making process, amounting to 5782 kilojoules per mole. As the atom come together to form new bond, energy is liberated. As we calculate the overall enthalpy change, it's matter of the simple arithmetic. The energy consumed during the bond breaking 4731 kilojoules per mole minus the energy released during the bond making 5782 kilojoules per mole give us the enthalpy change for the entire process. So the overall enthalpy change for the ethanol combustion process is the release of 1051 kilojoules per mole. This negative value indicates that the reaction is exothermic, meaning the release energy to the surrounding. And there you have it. It's comprehensive understanding of bond breaking, bond making, and resulting enthalpy change in ethanol combustion process. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next lesson.